You can go and take the steps and you can do all this learning, but a lot of it comes down to mindset. Number one, believing that you as a non-technical person can run a tech product. That's number one. That's an overwhelming thing to think about for most non-technical entrepreneurs. The answer is absolutely yes. Do it smart, but don't think that you can't do it. And number two, getting that self-confidence is going to be so important for any of this to work. And getting comfortable with the fail early and often and cheap minds like concept is so uncomfortable for people. I teach that right at the beginning, almost the first lesson. It's getting them used to the idea of failing and seeing failure as a learning opportunity and not being emotionally connected to it, which is one of the biggest like reasons why people don't even get into entrepreneurship, is because they have that weird relationship with failure. So, like leaving the baggage almost away and just accepting that if you follow the steps, you can do it. And I mean, that's why I created TechSpeak, so that you can get from point A to point B a lot quicker